Welcome to United Parachute Technologies Rigging Loft. Tonight we're going to be talking how to roll the nose on a VR360 while we're packing a Sigma or a Micro Sigma. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, 386-736-7471. And this is how we do the process of rolling the nose. The canopy was flaked, and now we're moving to the reduction folds. Before we go to the reduction folds, first we have to roll the nose. You can see the V-tapes right there. I'm going to be cleaning the nose right here. Once I count the 4 cells on the outside, and I find the center in between my V-tapes right there, is the bottom skin A span tapes. We're going to grab all the 4 cells and roll them nice and tight until we find that line, just like this. The center cell, we're going to push it inside. As you can see, the edge of the label, it could be used as a reference. From here, we move into the reduction folds. You can do them how you feel comfortable with it. In the manual, you can actually see how we do it at UPT. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us, 386-736-7471. Thank you so much. I hope you have a good night.